me, feel free, welcome back to my channel. Before you watch this video, like, comment and share, subscribe and comment down below if I didn't say that. So today I have my sister, Mariam. So today she's going to show you how to make Pom Poms.
So if you want to know how to make Pom Poms the easy way, just keep on watching this video.
And she'll be doing this step by step, so you can definitely do this. And if you're wondering why she's showing you how to make Pom Poms, is because we're going to
in part 2, in the next video, we're going to be teaching you guys how to make these cute teddy bears. Aren't they just so adorable with a little pom pom at the back? Adorbs. Over there.
Oh, one second, guys. And where?
Nothing. It's here. It's here.
Oh, okay. Okay, guys. So that's
okay. So if you want to know how to make, so the things that you need to make this one, because we're just doing it in part 1, because you need to know how to make pom poms to make this. So for this teddy bear, you'll need to make a large one, a medium one, and a small one. As you can see, they're really cute.
Large, medium.
So that's just the same thing but in a different color.
So we've done this before for practice, in case we've done something wrong. So we know what to do. So just step by step, guys, and she'll show you how to make them.
Okay, so let's just start off with the large one, because the large one.
Okay, guys.
Just makes sense to start off with the large one.
Do you want me to do it with you, or do you want to do it myself?
Do you want to do it?
I'm not sure.
I don't know if you should, because you're really slow.
Okay. So guys, in our practice video, I was really slow at this, so I think I'm gonna let my sister do it herself, because I don't want to interrupt her. Yeah. Oh yeah, guys, and today I brought the guinea pigs, and that was so adorable, and yeah, they came to us to school. I wish I could tape that, guys, but as you know, sometimes at school, sometimes in schools you're not allowed to tape. Anyway, my sister needs to start, so I'll see.
Okay, let's just start off. Nice and quick, nice and easy. So for this one, you're just using your fingers. People like to do them with some paper rolls, like the rolls when you just finish the paper, like the paper roll, they like using the cardboard bit. People use that. I don't really know how to do that, but this time we're just going to use our fingers. Our fingers. So
do you mean like these?
Yeah, I don't know what they do with these. I've seen it once.
Okay.
Okay, so you just want to start off with 4 of your fingers. Just accept your thumb. Okay, then you just want to start. Just put the thing, just make sure you hold it for now with your thumb. And then this is where the annoying part comes. You have to wrap it around 100 times.
100, guys. So that's really quick.
I'll probably do a bit with you guys, and I'll just like pause this video because I need to like count in my head.
Okay.
Okay. Don't hold tight.
It's better to count in your head because you don't get confused. So we'll show you when we're done. Okay, guys. So she has done 100. It's actually really quick. You just think that it's long, but it's not. So let's go.
So after, this is how it looks after 100 rolls. So you just want to cut off the end.
Make sure you have sharp scissors.
Sharp scissors, yes, you need that. So then just take it off your fingers. So then make sure, just place it flat on the table. Then you just want to get a random piece. Just estimate how long you want it to be. Doesn't need to be big, doesn't need to be small, just a good size.
So just a large one?
So you just need a length that will just cover like the whole pom pom.
Yeah.
Okay, so just place that on the table.
Make sure it's not too short.
And then you just want to, people get it like this way. You don't want that. You want to put it like this way. So that way it will be nice and good. That way it will just undo and it will be loose. This way is the right way to do it. People could just get mixed up with that. So you just want to get 2 of the what's it called? The yarn that I just cut off. You just want to tie that really tight around it.
And do 3 knots if you want, just to make it extra tight.
Double knot will be good, but you have to do it tight. Okay, so that's one.
So Father's Day was yesterday, so happy Father's Day to all the fathers out there. Okay.
Okay, so just one more. And we're done. Okay, so then after this, so you just want to get your scissors, snippy snip, and then you just want to cut all the loops.
Should we cut
these are
side?
these are all the loops. So you just want to put your scissors through there and cut them.
So there's a little hole inside, so let's get that from each corner.
Okay. Make sure you cut all the loops. You might even forget to do some, or you might just
You
miss
just have to
them.
look really carefully, guys.
So you want to cut every single one.
Just checking everything as well. We should check, guys.
So that's the one that she did earlier.
So it's not as good as Mary's. Mary's is like really puffy. Good. So as you can see, mine just always goes really small compared to hers.
Yours actually good.
But I really like this colour. It's really nice, guys. It's like nice pink blushy. Okay, so what are you up to, Mary?
So I'm just making sure that I cut all the loops so it can be nice and even. So I was always being like the artsy girl, like the artsy, crafty. I used to love doing water painting. Do you remember that? I used to be so good at that. And then sometimes that yarn, just the pom poms, like I don't know, the dust just goes in your nose.
Yeah, makes lots of mess.
It's like it's all over my
But
face.
don't worry, guys, you can clean it at the end.
And then I also used to know.
What's that, guys?
I also used to know how to do knitting and crocheting, but I kind of like forgot.
You scared me. Because I thought the white thing was on it.
Okay, so that's the finished result. Okay, so as you can see, I don't know if, like, see how there's long pieces? There are really long pieces, like, that they're not even, if you know what I mean. So you just want to get your scissors and just, like, cut all around it and make sure it's even. So let's just do that.
You want to make it extra better and extra good.
Yeah.
So snip it and make it even.
Okay, so I'll just get back with you. I'll just pause the video and I'll get back with you guys.
Okay, we'll see you when we're done. Okay, so
that's this. Now it looks really nice and even. Now it looks like an actual pom pom. Okay, so you just want to dust it. Maybe you just plump it up a bit. So that's the large one done. So let's get on to the medium one. Okay, so this is how the medium one. Yeah, the medium pom pom looks like. So for the medium one, getting really itchy.
sorry?
Yes, definitely. Okay, for the medium one, you want to get 2 of your fingers. So,
Two, guys. Just the index and your, I don't know, what's it called?
middle finger.
Middle finger.
So make sure it's only 2 fingers. So with your 2 fingers, you just want to do the same thing. And this time you only want to wrap it 50 times.
50 times.
So we're doing the exact same thing, but just half of what we did.
2 hands.
To the large one. So 50 times.
With 2 fingers, guys.
I think you guys know how to count to 50, so I'll get back with you on that. So yeah. Nice. Okay, so I was just saying something.
I was trying to catch that in the camera.
Okay, so this is how it looks after 50. So you just want to cut off the end. Take it off your finger.
Make sure.
Sometimes it just goes really tight, like.
Even though it doesn't feel tight, but it's just really tight. So
Okay.
we're just gonna do a close up because I don't know if you could see it.
Okay, so just place it on the table like that. Make sure it's like the wide way. Like make sure it's not like this way, because then if you like get the yarn piece and if you want to wrap it around, as I said before. So just put it like that. Again, just get a random size piece.
Sorry if the lighting's not good, I'm not sure, but yeah. Okay, and make sure you get a good piece and make sure it's not too small.
Just like that, the wide way. So you just want to wrap it around and
Knot it as much
knot
as
it
you can.
really tight. And again, there we go. So now again,
It's pretty good.
cut all the loops.
Be faster here. Why are you looking at me like that? I caught that face.
Me. Just like that.
Get all the lips.
Great. Okay, so we're just doing that. Okay, make sure you have good scissors again, because this part can be annoying.
Because when we were doing our practice, this was not sharp at all, and it makes your fingers really tired. So you don't want to hurt your fingers while you're doing this.
Okay, so that's done. Again, they were really large pieces, so I just want to cut that off. So I'll be back with you when I have my finished result and snip off all the large pieces
and even it out. So
yeah,
we'll see when it's done. Peace. Okay guys, so Shamira is done.
so this is how it looks after. I just did everything to it, so this is how it should be looking, just like that. So let's just do the small one, so just get our oven done with. So this is the smallest out of all of them. So this one you just do the same thing, get your 2 fingers, but this time you only wrap it
Same fingers guys, index and middle.
15.
15 times guys this time.
So just count 15. 1, 2, 3,
So the same
4,
as this.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15.
Really quick.
So cut off the end.
Snip. Snip, snip, snip.
Okay, place it on the table.
Place it. Don't worry about the mess again. Clean it when you're done.
Just like that. And then you just want to get another piece of yarn to wrap it around. Place on the table. Just like that. Now this one is like a really cute one. It's a really small one. So for this one on the teddy bear that we might do on the next video, this is the tail of it.
I might do it. I might not do it on my next video. I'm not sure. I don't have to do it on my next video, guys. Just let me.
What happened? Oh, okay. So let's just do that again.
If you make a mistake, it's okay, guys.
So you just want to wrap it.
Wrap it.
Okay, 1 and 2. Can I have a video face? Can you hold it?
Hey.
And again, double knot it. Okay. So because this is really long, because it's a really small pom pom, just want to cut that off. Okay. So now just cut the loops. You know the drill.
You know the drill, guys.
So we just gotta cut that.
Okay, guys, back in the video. Okay, so what are you doing now?
Cutting the loops.
So, you're cutting the lips, aren't you?
Yes, Fat Mo.
Why are you laughing?
I don't know, you're making me laugh. So let's just keep on doing that. You just keep on finding loops everywhere. Like, you just have to make sure that you got every single one.
And
okay, so now there's big pieces again, so you just want to even that out. So let's just do
it's
that.
all about evening it out mostly. So.
Yeah, because that's what makes the pom pom a pom pom.
And
because
tidier.
Yeah, actually makes them look heaps better. Okay, you want to cut it, but you don't want to cut it that short because then it's going to look even smaller.
So that's the small.
So this is the smallest one.
So as you can see,
So this is how it looks.
as you can see, this is not really evened. So
That's the small one. Okay, so we have the large one. Can you take me?
So the large one, guys.
The large one, the medium one,
And then
the small one. So it's like a little cute pom-pom family. So with all these pom-poms, you will come out with something like this. So that's why I'm telling you to, like, teaching you how to do this now. So in our
guys, we've got
other
show you
video.
this. So my sister made this one as well. I kind of like that other one. We still have to give it to our niece, so we're gonna give it to her.
Okay, so I think that's all for today's.
Cousin, sorry.
I think that's all for today's video.
Yeah.
So
Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And can I say comment down below? Yeah, just comment down below. And
please share, and because like we really want other people to watch, like, for my sister's channel. And yeah, so
thank you.
Just get the word around. Just get the word around.
Okay, guys. Thank you, Piggy's World, for subscribing to me. I really appreciate it, and thank you, Double, for my other subscribers. Thank you, Theas and Ali and Mariam. Mariam subscribed to me as well, so thank you. So I think that's all for today. Remember, part 2, making these, and yeah. So guys, remember, like, comment, share and subscribe, and
We'll see you in our next video.
Bye.